Here's a current overview of the electronics board. So I'll call it my generation 2. I'll start here with my Raspberry Pi 5 is here in the middle. Below that is a USB hub. You can see on this side there's 3 USB ports. I think there's a total of 7 on that board. They used that because my previous USB hub was a bit larger and this was just more compact. I also added to my Raspberry Pi this NVMe disk hat. This has got a 256 gigabit NVMe drive on it. Also got a 3D printed stand here where I made a spot for the fan. I'm not sure how much good that's going to do. For power, I've got these two 12 volt to 5 volt power converters that take their 12 volts from the fuse blade holder. There's two here because one drives the Pi directly and the other drives the USB hub that's underneath here. Also I have mounted my Teensy 4.1 with the RJ45 Ethernet connector. I don't have my router connected here, but that's also coming. NRF24 radio, and I've just begun testing or connecting a Oak Light C camera. It's the low-end camera for them, but I think it might actually be enough for me. And then the other thing that I've been trying to get configured correctly is this dual antenna U-blox X20D chip GPS. It will provide, RTK fix using an antenna in the front of the tractor and an antenna in the back of the tractor to give me a continuous heading. So at the moment, trying to configure that and get the heading data. It's a slightly different message using this GPS than I've used in the past. And then I also need to configure and get tested in working this camera. So that's my progress at the moment.